Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. I am Roof Yassin and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we are gonna be downloading and installing Visual Studio 2022, and I will show you all the details and description how to download and what things are required to select during the installation process of Visual Studio 2022. By the way, I have used Visual Studio 2022 and it's an amazing tool for development of C# and many other platforms. You will see a lot of IntelliSense features, autocomplete features during the code. It will definitely improve your productivity, and Git functionality is also a bit improved as compared to the previous Visual Studio variants, and they have little bit modifications in the UI as well. So you will see everything during the process. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser, which is Google Chrome, and in this browser you will write download and install Visual Studio 2022, and it will display the first link, visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click on this link. Code faster, work smarter, create the future with Visual Studio 2022. Just hit the download Visual Studio drop down and select community variant 2022, which is totally free. And scroll down, it will be automatically download the Visual Studio installer for you. Just click on this and click on open. Click on continue and it will download and install the Visual Studio installer for Visual Studio 2022 community variant, and then our installation process will start. It's getting the Visual Studio installer ready. So this is the Visual Studio installer, from where you will select some component, your area of development. So first of all, I will select ASP.NET and web development, which is obviously for web development. Then I will select .NET desktop development, Windows Forms development with C#, VB, and then I will select mobile development with .NET for Xamarin development to use cross-platform development of mobile application for Android, iOS, and Windows platform. So these are the most important thing which I am interested. If you want to do Azure development, Python development, or Node.js development, obviously you can select from there. And these are some .NET components which you can select according to your requirement. I will go for the default because I have already installed Visual Studio 15 and 2017, which contains basically all the basic .NET frameworks and things. So I'm not interested to download anyone further. Then there is language pack, and then installation location. Obviously you can change installation location. You can select options, install while downloading, and download and then install, and click on install. So your installation process is started. So I will pause and continue video. So just wait and see.